Hey, welcome to my channel. It's Tech Bae B, and I wanted to give you a warm welcome. Kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Thank you so much for stopping by. This channel is for all of my people that are not tech savvy. You struggle with tech. It gets on your nerves. You be ready to pull your hair out. I just want you to know that you can do it. I have over 10 years of experience working in tech, from working on the help desk, providing IT technical support, to working as a help desk administrator, to being a desktop support technician. I even worked my way all the way up to being a QA software engineer, and I just love helping people solve technical problems. So majority of my videos will be assisting you if you are trying to become a YouTuber and you struggle with the tech side of things, and that's kind of keeping you away from actually creating your channel. I will be doing a lot of YouTube how-to videos, and I also will be doing just a lot of other technical videos that'll help you along your way on your journey, or just in general. Like if you have a website, or you want to learn how to build a website, or any other type of tech tools that'll help you on your journey in today's world, because as we know, technology is always changing and it's not going anywhere, and you can learn how to use it just like anybody else. So thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you check out my videos, and if you have any questions, anything you want to talk about, leave it in the comments and I will definitely get back to you. So remember, do not stress, because with Tech Bae B, guess what? You gonna become the best. I'll see y'all around on these internet streets. Okay, bye.